Tiger, how's it going? New time for your second week check-in. It's now week 4 of your program. Let's go take a look at what you're doing. See, I don't usually do this to people, but you're my homie, so be brutally honest, and you usually respond good this way. Where the fuck are your updates? No updates? Huh? Where's the updates? Nothing. Nothing. Where are the videos? What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? I need the info so I can coach your Tiger. Fill it out as you work out. If you want your updates to be very intricate, look at your form, look at your numbers, see your progress, set your weights for you. I need some info. That's all I got for you. Stay safe. Have a good week. Fill out your shit.